Thomas, good to see you. Today, we're going to talk through how to make sure your inheritance doesn't disappear. And the reason I'm bringing it up, I came across this really surprising study which found that 42% of heirs see their net worth fall back to or below pre inheritance levels within just 1 year. And the average inheritance studied in the data was $133,000 gone in 1 year. What's driving that behavior?
First of all, it's just not having a plan. You
Yeah.
receive a lot of money right away. Somebody just passed away. You may spend frivolously. You may pay off things. In most cases, many individuals just don't have a plan on what to do
Mhm.
with their money.
And the study suggests that this pattern is more extreme than with other financial windfalls, like winning the lottery. Why is an inheritance different?
I would say perhaps more is more emotionally driven. Clients that receive this type of money right away, they probably haven't received that type of money before, and
Yeah.
somebody just passed away. So they may, go out and splurge to kind of heal themselves, if you will. So definitely emotional.
And you've been doing this for a while. So, what mistakes do you see families make when it comes to passing down wealth?
Not having a plan, not having the finances structured. It's important to kind of visit with your family and things. Even like myself, I visit with my daughters. I say, this is kind of how I want things to go. You obviously having a written plan, wills, trust, and how you want things executed. So if you don't have those things, then I mean, it's kind of a free for all at that point.
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that because what other strategies, what specifics would you recommend for people to make sure that an inheritance actually lasts?
Yeah, definitely get with your advisor. Meet with your advisor. Discuss, what are some of the options that are out there. Obviously, there are the usual suspects with the wills, the trust, and giving them some intelligence on how probate works, advance health directives as well, and power of attorneys on who you want to manage those funds as well. So definitely meet with your advisor and have him or her as the quarterback for getting that up in place for you.
Yeah, having this conversation well ahead
Mhm.
of time is so important.
Mhm.
Thomas, if somebody would like to sit down with you, maybe bring both generations into the room, lower the temperature, what's the best way to reach you?
Yeah, definitely go to my website, martinheritagegroupllc.com. You can schedule some time there. You can also give me a call, 651-503-6064. And then you can shoot me an email at info@martinheritagegroupllc.com. And then I'm on all social media platforms at Martin Heritage Group.
Great. Thomas, thank you.
Thank you.